subscribe, invite your. Alright guys, this is how to barb Afro haircut. First thing, you have to comb the hair. Comb the hair very well to know how the hair grows. After combing the hair, I've already sterilized the clip already, so I'm not going to show the parts. So I've already done the sterilization of the clipper. Then look at the way I'm holding the clipper to make the first line. Hold the clipper the way I'm holding it and make sure you close the blade together. Let the blade join together. After the blade is joined together, then hold the clipper the way I'm holding it to create the first line, the first skin line. You know, we are going to this afro is going to be a skin fade. So look the way I'm holding the clipper and make sure that you are brushing off the hair. So after you have raised the hair up, you now carry the clipper down and skin it. After you skin the hair finish, skin it very well, texture it very well. Don't rush the hair. Look at the way I'm holding the clipper because this is how I want you to hold it. After watching this video, you'll be able to know how to barb afro cut. You can barb your neighbor, your children, your wife, your husband, anybody. Now after you have done this, you open the blade to create another line. This is where the blending comes from. After creating the first line, you know, remember what I did here? I opened the blade, I open it. After creating the second line, watch closely. You see that the first line that I skinned down, there is a line there. I've not cleaned it up. Just watch very well. Just watch very well. If I have any question, ask. After you have created the first line, you use step 1 and close the blade. Once you put the clipper into a step 1, you close the blade to create another line. This is where the blending comes from. Don't rush the hair. Watch the way I'm holding the clipper very well. So after you have put the step 1, you open the blade. You see what I just did? I open the blade, take it again up, take it up. As you are taking it up, be watching it, be texturing it very well. Let it be the same line. So after that, you take step 2. This is step 2. Once you use step 2 to create a shape for the blending to show very well. What do I'm doing it? You know, this is black man haircut. It's very strong, unlike the white, the American hair that is very soft. This is African hair. So after you have used the step 2 to create a shape for the blending, you use your step 1 again. Watch the way I'm holding my clipper. Now there is a way that I'm going to hold the clipper that the hair will blend much inside. You know, in Nigeria we normally say that the hair will chop. Look the way I'm holding it. Look the way I'm holding it. It's still on step 1. And remember, as I put it on step 1, whatever you're doing, once you put it on step 1, you have to open the blade. Now, after you have blended the hair finish, watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing very well. I'm not rushing this because I want you to know how to do this. After watching this video, you know how to barb afro. And if you know you are finding this video interesting, please subscribe for more, because I'm going to be detailing any hair I'm going to be cutting. I'm going to do it in a way that you will understand it like a primary 6 or primary 2, primary 1 student. Look what I'm doing. It's still under step 1. Watch my hand very well. What do I'm blending it? So this is how you're going to do it. Make sure you brush the hair. Make sure you brush the hair. As you are cleaning off the lines, make sure you're brushing the hair. So after, watch it very well. Just take a close. If you are finding this video helpful, please support us by subscribing. Now this is where I want to show you this thing that I'm doing now. I'm only trying to blend the hair to remove the outer layers on that blended side. Even if you blend hair, there will still be some that will outgrow others. So you put the blade, you open it and turn your hand upside down to blend it down. And after doing that, now you clean the little lines that you are seeing by opening the blade. Remember, the blade is open. By opening it to remove the small line that you are seeing there. So watch what I'm doing now. Look at the first line that I did. You see there is still line there, so you close the blade. Once you close the blade, you can use the corner, the tip side, to remove the line. You use the tip of the blade to remove the line, so that everything will be what? Will be fine, will blend very well, will smooth. So watch very well. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please, we are starting, we are growing. Support us by subscribing, because my teaching is going to be different from others. Watch what I'm doing. There is no how you are going to watch this video finish and you will not practicalize it with your small brother or with your husband or with your wife. You know what I'm saying? This is a clean afro, a clean skin fade afro. Watch what I did. What do I'm holding the clipper? The first thing you have to learn to be able to barb any type of haircut, the first thing you need to do is to learn how to hold the clipper. Watch my hand very well. The way my hand is moving, the way I'm holding the clipper. You understand what I'm saying? So once you know how to hold the clipper very well, rotate the clipper, when to use it, when to turn it, when to use the step, and when not to use the step, you're already a professional. You see why I'm trimming it off. I'm trimming the outgrowth. I'm trimming it off. If you want to trim your hair as a newbie, make sure you open the blade. I can close the blade and trim it, and nothing will happen. But you as a newbie, open the blade so that even if your hand shake or you make a mistake, it will not be noticeable. Understand? So you open the blade, trim off the outer ones, the one that grow more than other ones, you trim it off. After trimming it, look at the way I'm holding the clipper. That is where your eyes should be. Focus on the way I'm holding the clipper. You see what I'm doing again? Make sure that the blade is open. Don't let it to close together. Don't let it to join together. See what I'm doing? The way I'm doing it, I'm brushing off the hair. Make sure you brush the hair so that the blending will show, and it will show you where didn't blend very well and where blend very well. So watch the way I'm doing. I'm done with it now, and I'm going to shape it. When it comes to shaping of hair, like carving of hair, make sure you join the blades together. Let the two blades join together, and watch the hair very well. Know where the hair started from. Follow the hair texture. Where the hair starts from, that is where the friction starts from. Understand what I'm saying? That is where the friction starts from. So watch it very well. So please, I want you to help me to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Anything that you do not understand, just put it on the comment box. I will attend to it. And if anywhere I make any mistake, please comment so that I can be corrected. We all learning together. No one is perfect. So I learn from you, you learn from me. Because I understand that it's not everybody that can do this kind of thing that I'm doing. And there are some people too that can do more than what I'm doing. So if you see anything that I do not do very well, please comment it in the comment box so that I can take correction. And if you see that I'm doing well, please comment, like and share this video. Don't forget, any question that you have, please feel free to ask me. I'm ready to answer it. Okay, so what do I'm shaping the hair? Sometimes when you want to shape the friction side, you use You use the tip of the clipper, you use the tip of that blade and curve it. Understand? So barbing is very, very sweet. It's very, very loving. It's something that you'll be doing and you even be happy, playing, laughing. It's very, very sweet. I love barbing. I love it. So this is how you can barb Afro haircut from start to finish. From start to finish. Remember, as I'm shaping this hair, follow the way both the beards, the way it grows. Follow the texture. Follow the hair texture and the way it goes. You follow it like that and make sure that the blade are well joined together so that it will not pain the customer or it will not injure the customer. What I'm doing. Please, if you are finding this video helpful, please help us to subscribe, help us to click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, the bell, so that whenever we upload, you'll be the first to see it and watch it and practicalize it. This is what I'm here for. I'll keep on doing what I can do to help us all, and very soon I'll be making some videos giving you some kind of hair cream that you need to be using on your hair, what to do to avoid dandruff, what to do to avoid bare head, and so on and so forth. All you need to do is just to follow, subscribe, like, share, and stick with us. Let's go together. Let's grow together. This is how Afro cut is. You see, I do everything raw. There is nothing like editing stuff. I do not edit anything. This is how it is. You get all my work. You can check most of my work. But I decided that I want to be teaching people so that even if you travel outside the country, you will not be running helter-skelter looking for where to barb. You can be able to barb yourself. Barbing is very simple. Once you know how to hold the clipper, how to hold clipper, and what the hair texturing, how the hair grows, and when to use steps and none. But the first primary thing you have to know is how to hold clipper. Once you know how to hold it very well, you are good to go. You are a professional. So guys, this is it. If I try, please give me a thumbs up. If I really try, please give me a subscription.